Welcome back, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy for my new package. As you can see, it's in the package bag. So today we're with Ali Grace. This is my second time with Ali Grace. So shout out to them for sponsoring this video. Also, these are the only things that I got with this package today. I got this booklet, or pamphlet rather, and it just has hair care tips and such inside, their social media and all that stuff. Beautiful goddess on the front, yeah. And then we have a wig cap, and then this is a bag, a drawstring bag. I've been doing so many headband wigs, so it's good to break away from that for a little bit. So this is what we're working with today. This is a 22-inch wig. It's a straight texture and it's of a natural color, otherwise, you know, known as 1B. It's 150% in density and it's a 13 by 5 parting. So all that information is right here. So this is straight and I'm excited. You know why I'm excited? I just bought a new flat iron because I've been on the hunt for a very precise flat iron. I have a, okay, so let's talk about that. Maybe we'll look a little more on the ear and then we'll jump into that. So alright, so this is the hair. This is actually another T-part wig, guys. You know, if you've been keeping up with me, you see that the other day I tried a T-part wig and it was like, oh my god. It was just so snatched. So I'm excited to see this. I'm not gonna lie, come pretty late. It's looking pretty flat. You know, I'm excited to try this actually. So yeah, remember I tell you, you know, shortage of lace. So they're doing everything to still keep the wigs popping and be innovative, and I feel like this is another cool way to go around a full-on lace front, you know. So yeah, it has what, 3 combs inside. It has adjustable straps that you can use to adjust how tight you want the wig on the inside, and that's pretty much how it looks. So it's a T-part wig and it's a 13 by 5 parting. Okay, don't worry about the wig cap beneath. I know it's a whole different color, but I'll use my concealer or powder to just match that up with my actual skin tone. So the lace is a little bit in the way with my eyelashes and my eyes, so I'm gonna actually just cut away some of the excess lace.
My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head.
So it's a little longer here on the side to like go around my ears. So I'm gonna cut off the excess. So I'm pretty excited because I want to try out the ORS Super Hold Spray. Okay, and they said this is an ultra hold spray for lace front wigs, lace fronts, wigs, and weaves. Okay, so I am so happy I went ahead and got this. I even got the grip gel. I have the pudding. I went out and I got a lot of stuff from them. If you keep up with me on my vlog channel, you would have seen that. Honey, what are you doing? Go over to PETITE-SUE TV and keep up. Okay, because sometimes I do little mini hauls in my vlogs, like sometimes, not all the time. Like when I get my packages and stuff, I'll show you guys. So shout out to Argante, he put me on. Like ORS, yes, I bought all of these products with my own money, so yeah. So I'm gonna apply the same way I would apply my Got To Be and see how it is. Let's see if this hold is, like, I don't even want to go in with the gel right now. I'm gonna save the gel for another day when I'm doing an actual lace front wig. But because this is just a like T-part wig, I'm not go so hard. You see it? It does have alcohol in there because I did review the ingredients, but it doesn't have that strong alcoholic scent there like the Got To Be. Yeah, guys, I'm applying this wig just as is. Just like how I got it out the package. I never go in and, you know, extra plucking, because for one, it doesn't have like a large like space. You could go in and pluck it a little, but you still would get like, you know, that standard size with the plucking. If you, I don't know if you understand what I mean. Like, you know, like how when you're plucking, you can pluck like an inch. It don't have that much of a big space. I have my dryer on cool air, by the way, just like I would have it on when I'm using Got to Be. Is it like, so it takes a little, from what I've experienced so far, it took like probably the same or just a tops longer than the Got to Be to dry down. The hold feel pretty normal, like the Got to Be, because Got to Be is the only thing I really have as another holding spray to compare it to, so that's why I keep on, you know. Yeah.
And imagine a utopia, darling. I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute.
Parting looks a little wide for me, so I'm gonna take this black pencil, take my comb, kind of just go over the sides, because I really don't need it to be that wide. So this is a little hack right here, okay? Just use my El Maquillage pencil for that. Alright, so now I just want to make it super flat. I'm gonna take my wax stick. You want to get this super flat look. I'm going to put this brand new flat iron to the test. I have a mist. I was using this mist a lot last week when I was on my little staycation. When I had in that long week. If you follow me on social media, by the time you see this wouldn't be last week anymore, but most recent staycation that I had, I was using this and it was very lightweight. This is what Naked At Home Glow Finishing Gloss. So I don't usually use product, but I just use a little bit. It has a very subtle scent, very subtle, nothing too overpowering. And I know when you want to have the maximum bone straight like hair, I've learned that, you know, using a little bit of lightweight serum can really turn it up a notch. I'm excited, guys, because as I said, I was on the hunt for a good flat iron and I bought the Nano Titanium Babyliss Pro Titanium flat iron some time ago, and then it started short, so I don't know what that's about. It never gave me the straightest hair either, so I don't know. So this is Keep Cozy. When I was watching reviews on this, they said it was a very like cheap flat iron. It was like, some people said they paid $30 for the same size because I see them use it. But when I went to buy honey, it was $130 something, $129, but with shipping, you know. Yeah, so I was like, okay, but that was like from a year ago, those reviews, so I guess they raised the price, I don't know. And it's at $450, so it was safe. That. Oh, it went off. It plugged in for a while, so it never did really on.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna.
Hey, that's not bad. It's not bad. You know, I feel like I need to break it into like using it more often. but it didn't do bad at all. My hair looked pretty. That's pretty nice. That's very fluent. I like that. And you see the sheen? I didn't put too much, but it's just right. I'm gonna give it some layers after, like, you know, just to frame my face better. So I'm gonna do the other half off camera and then I'll come right back. Guys, this is how we're looking. The hair looks very silky. It got the job done. It really did. Definitely for the first time. This is the first time I'm using it. So at the ORS holding spray, that's the first time I'm using it. I'm just trying out this wig. It's a whole first time like experience with this entire video for me. And I love how the wig is laying. Number one thing for know if you have a bomb T-part wig, like, it still looks like a lace front, because like you'd expect lumpiness or it just look bulky. It really doesn't. So I really love how they're constructing everything. So like Iris, this is really nice. The flat iron did it. I'm not gonna spray it anymore because I feel like the shine that it has is good already, so nice. I'm going to put a little bit of layers in the front here to kind of frame my face a little better. So I'm just kind of
think, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
pretty good. This just look nice. Oh, I love this. Now I'm going to take the flat iron and kind of go back over that part. You see that steam? I'm going to send on a plate here. Yeah, alligators, you definitely came all the way through with this wig. It's gorgeous. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications on this wig down below in my description box, so if you're interested in going ahead and getting it for yourself, you can do so. Please remember, it's a T-part wig. It's not a lace front. It's not a full lace front. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys' support so much. Leave your thoughts down below on this wig. Leave it down below. And any discount codes I have or anything will be listed in my description box as well. The name of this is Kiposi. It goes up to 450 is what I used to flat iron the hair, and it was pretty hot. Got the work done really nicely. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to big up on yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. I upload very frequently. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, of course, and I'll put all the necessary links down below. Yeah, and that's it for today. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So just want to big up on yourself. Bye.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10.